In the era of intelligence, every enterprise needs efficient and convenient self-service terminals. We focus on customized design to precisely meet your personalized needs from appearance to function. From software to hardware, every detail is tailored for your business. Relying on large-scale production and intelligent manufacturing, we strictly control costs so that high-quality self-service terminals can also have better prices. Whether it is retail, medical care, government affairs, transportation, catering, or finance, we provide a full range of industry solutions to help your business operate efficiently. From manufacturing to delivery, from technical support to upgrade maintenance, our services are available all over the world, allowing your self-service terminals to run without worries. Smart manufacturing, self-service, serving the world. Let technology create greater value for you.